Is your oven's bake or broil element not heating up? I'm about to reveal the troubleshooting secrets to identify the fault in less than 1 minute. My first step, always disconnect power. Once you have access to the back, remove the top cover. Be very careful when removing this sheet, it is very sharp. Now that we've exposed our wires, I'm going to place my multimeter in continuity mode. I'm going to place one lead on the orange wire over here and my other on the yellow. So this one's going to be my bake element, and because I'm getting a beep, I have continuity, which indicates that the bake element is good. I'm going to do the same process for the broil, which is on the blue line. And same thing, we have continuity, which means the broil element also is functioning properly. Now, because we have continuity on both the bake and broil element, it does confirm that both of those elements are good, and it also confirms that the wiring that connects the controller board to those elements is also fully functional. By process of elimination, the controller board has to be the fault. Now, if you're interested in finding out how we fix those, you can check out this video next. Otherwise, if you found the video helpful or useful, leave us a like, subscribe for more content, and thanks for watching.